going everyone? Steve here. Well, we're sitting out in the backyard. We only got today off. Got to go to work tomorrow, so we worked yesterday. So we decided we're going to cook a blade roast on the little barbecue here. So I've got some charcoal heating up here in the little pit thing on the ground here, the little Uniflame charcoal starter, and we've got our hexi tarp up here because there was sprinkling rain this morning. It's not a real nice day, so we thought we better have everything under cover. This will be good enough to cook under that, and I thought I'll show you how we cook it up. Ellie's sitting here like she always does, hoping she'll get a scrap of food or something like that. So we'll show you. Just got to keep her away from that fire. She's nice and warm, so they're just about ready. They've been on nearly for 40 minutes, so we're just heating them up, and we're going to put them in these little trays over here. Just stay there, Ellie. Sit. So we've got these little things here. We're going to fill those up with charcoal. Just grab the camera, and we'll put those over in each side of the fire pit here, and in the middle here we're going to put a tray of water and have the meat over the water and have indirect heat cooking the meat over a long period of time. So it's the first time we've done this. We only just bought this the other day. It was only like $65, I think. It's not a Weber, it's just a cheap one. If it turns out it's really good and we need to buy a Weber, we'll get one if we like it, but we thought we'll start off with something cheap and go from there. So I'll go grab the meat and get it on and show you what it looks like. Okie doke, well, I've just put the coals in the little trays. Got our aluminium tray with the water, so hopefully the heat will come up over the sides and over the top of the meat. The meat will sit in the middle here and it'll slow cook. So like I said, first time trying this, so I'll just put the lid back on and get it all heated up. So we just have these open to half, got the bottom one fully open, and we'll see how it goes. Okie doke, well, we've got the beef on. Now I've got my temperature probe in, and it's a Weber one, so I've got it down here and got it running up into the meat. I'll show you that in a sec, but I've just got it set on one of the presets, and the probe at the moment is, you probably can't see it on there, but it's 7 degrees and it's set for 91 degrees Celsius. So we just got to let that run. I'll just show you what we've got in here at the moment. So there's the meat, great big piece, temperature probe in the side, and the coals on either side. So we'll just let that cook away and keep an eye on it. Thanks for watching. Okay, I've just lifted the lid because what we've done is we put in a couple of smoking bricks. These are bourbon and hickory, so we put one on either side. Meat's going beautifully, like you can see the fat and everything dripping in the water tray down the bottom there. So that's what you want, the moisture coming up through the meat and softening it up. So I'm just putting a little bit of rosemary on top. You can smell that bourbon and hickory starting to come out now, so that'll start smoking in a sec, and should be good. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, it's been on for an hour or two. As you can hear, it's raining a little bit. It's looking pretty good there. So what we're doing is we're just basting it with some stuff that we've come up with, just to keep the moisture in it. keep it nice and yummy. So should be good. We'll see how that goes. Put the lid back on. Okay, well I've just checked the temperature on the app and it's sitting at 87 degrees. It's just given me a message just to say that it's just about ready. So we'll have a look at it. There you go. That looks bloody beautiful. Just put that down there. We'll have a look. So you can see we've got some potatoes on there, we've got some veggies and stuff inside. Coal's burnt down. It's really soft and moist, and you got your what they call bark on the top here, where it sort of crisps up from all the basting and that you do. And it's just about at temperature, so it should be good. So pretty happy with that. And next one will be I'll show you what it's like inside when we're cutting it up. Okay, well, we've got the meat inside. We've had it sitting for a little while, and you know, the crust on the top there is like where all the fat and that was, and it crusts up, so that's meant to be there. So I'll just do a little slice down the side here, and that is absolutely just falling off. Like the meat itself, it's pretty beautiful. Juice is running out of it there. Look at that. And he's coming in to steal a little bit in the background there. I'll just cut some of that crust off. How is it, Annie?
Yum.
So we'll get some of this meat and slice it up. Oh, you can see the juices running out of it. It's nice and tender. So that was just cooked over the Weber for 4 hours over the coals. So I'll plate it up and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we've got it all plated up, so we're going to go enjoy before it gets too cold. It's come out bloody beautiful. It's probably, I must say, it's probably the best bit of meat I've ever cooked. First time I've ever tried it too, so give it a go. It was only a $65 Jumbuck cooker from Bunnings. Bit of charcoal, slow cooked for about 4 hours, and you can create a great meal. So hope you enjoy. We're going to go enjoy. It tastes bloody beautiful. The sauce and that we put on it, the basting, I'll put a description up in the link and let you know what was in it. Thanks very much. See you on the next one.